Good morning, class. Today we will start with class 8, History, chapter 7, and this is our 5th lecture. And our first topic is the agenda for a national income. So class, our first topic is the agenda for a national education. So basically in India, European education was introduced so that Indians could read in English and know the better writings or the past glories of the European language or the English language, and Britishers wanted to spread widespread of education which was impressed with the development in Europe. But in India, there were so many people who were not in the favor of being educated, being learned or being educating English language in India. So basically main agenda between the British was main points regarding the agenda was, first one is Britishers basically in India many Indians felt that Western education could help modernize India. So basically in India, many Indians thought that English education would or Western education would modernize India in every manner, so socially or politically or economically. So basically they earned the British to open more schools, colleges and universities. And spend more money on education. So basically in India, so many people wanted Western education which will help in modernizing the Indian society, and second, they wanted to open more schools, colleges and universities, and they also wanted to spend more money on education. But in other hand, there were so many people. In other hand, there were two people like Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore don't want such changes. So basically Mahatma Gandhi Indians who reacted against Western education. So basically, in other hand, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore don't wanted to introduce European education in India because they think that Indian or Western education will enslave Indians into the European culture and tradition. So basically, these two people, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, don't wanted to implement Western education in India. So basically, these were the main topics regarding the agenda for a national education. So class, let's move to our next topic. English education has enslaved us. So class, our next topic is English education has enslaved us. According to Mahatma Gandhi thought that Western education will enslave Indians into European cultures. So basically हम कह सकते हैं कि महात्मा गांधी का मानना था कि जो वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन है उसके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन से इंडिया में जो लोग हैं वो अपने कल्चर को भूल जाएंगे और वो वेस्टर्न कल्चर को अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे. सो इसी सेंस में महात्मा गांधी ने कहा कि इंग्लिश एजुकेशन जो है हमें गुलाम बना रहा है किसकी? वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन की. सो बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी आर्ग्यूड दैट कॉलोनियल एजुकेशन क्रिएट ए सेंस ऑफ इंफीरियरिटी इन द माइंड्स ऑफ इंडियंस. सो बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी thought that M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karmchand Gandhi. So M.K. Gandhi argued that colonial education created a sense of inferiority in the minds of Indians. So basically Mahatma Gandhi thought that colonial education created a sense of inferiority in the minds of the Indians. And second one, Mahatma Gandhi said it was sinful, it enslaved Indians, it cast an evil spell on बहुत ही बुरा प्रभाव डालेगी किस पे, इंडियन आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर एंड कल्चर। उनका ये मानना था कि ब्रिटिश एजुकेशन जो है वो बहुत ही खराब है, वो बहुत ही सिंफुल है, एंड ये जो है एक बहुत ही बुरा या फिर नकारात्मक प्रभाव जो है वो इंडियन कल्चर और एजुकेशन पे डालेगी। सो बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी महात्मा गांधी ने इंग्लिश एजुकेशन को उन्होंने बढ़ावा नहीं दिया, इसके बजाय उन्होंने महात्मा गांधी wanted an education. Mahatma Gandhi wanted an education that could help Indians recover their sense of dignity and self respect. So basically Mahatma Gandhi wanted an education in which Indians would recover their sense of dignity and self respect. So महात्मा गांधी चाहते थे कि इंडिया में एक ऐसा एजुकेशन होना चाहिए जिससे इंडियन जो है अपने सेंस को, अपनी सोच को जो है वो स्थिर करे और उनकी जो डिग्निटी है, जो सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट है, आत्मसम्मान है, वो उनको मिले थ्रू द एजुकेशन। एंड बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी स्ट्रांगली फेल्ट दैट Indian languages ought to be the medium of teaching. So basically Mahatma Gandhi wanted an language ought to be medium of teaching. So महात्मा गांधी चाहते थे कि जो भी एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है उसके तहत जो भी लैंग्वेजेस है वो इंडियन मीडियम में या फिर हिंदी मीडियम में होना चाहिए, ताकि बच्चे जो है अपने कल्चर को अच्छी तरह से समझ सके। So there are some more points regarding this topic. So let's see. Western education. In Western education, Mahatma Gandhi said focus on reading and writing. Rather than it valued textbooks rather than live experiences and practical knowledge. So class, basically Mahatma Gandhi wanted and Western education, Mahatma Gandhi said that Western education is focused on reading and writing rather than oral language, oral knowledge, and it also valued textbooks rather than life experience and practical knowledge. So basically महात्मा गांधी मानते थे कि जो वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन है वो सिर्फ रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग पे फोकस है, न कि ओरल लैंग्वेज पे। और उसके बाद महात्मा गांधी ऑल्सो फेल्ट दैट टेक्स्ट बुक्स जो है वो ज्यादा प्रिफर किया जाता है इन टीचिंग लर्निंग, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू महात्मा गांधी देयर शुड बी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज। सो बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी चाहते थे कि ऐसा एजुकेशन हो जिससे बच्चे लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस हो उनको और उसके बारे में प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी हो। सो बेसिकली महात्मा गांधी वांटेड so many changes regarding the Western education. So that's why Mahatma Gandhi told English education has enslaved us. So class, let's move to our next topic, that is Tagore's about Adobe of Peace.